Here is my wireless keyboard that I got. It's the Re Mini. It's pretty small. I'm recording using my iPhone. Otherwise I would lay it down and show you, but the iPhone actually fits about this width here, and actually is about this long. So it's actually pretty comparable to an iPhone in size. Not bad. In the previous video I showed you that my TV is right up there. And now, unfortunately, it's going to be kind of hard to tell, but I am able to do stuff such as if I were to do the function key and Control-Alt-Delete, for example, that would send the signal to the computer to do the Control-Alt-Delete key. You have your touchpad right here. I'm not getting the best signal right now, but you can see that, well, barely see, I did the Control-Delete. And the screen is now showing the lock the computer and all that. I'm going to move the mouse around, which you can kind of see it in the top right corner moving around. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel that out. And the reception isn't that bad. I apologize. I know the video quality isn't the best, but it's actually a pretty sweet system. Moving the mouse around, I'm going to close this window. And it's pretty nice. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the XBMC program that I use for the Media Center. And that's the XBMC. And then that's the screen where I can then pick my videos and watch videos and whatnot. Pretty easy to use. Again, the nice part is I'm just using this little touchpad to maneuver around. We'll just go to the first one, American Chopper. And we'll go ahead and play it. And there it goes. And I'm able to watch TV from the comfort of my living room while the computer is upstairs in another room. Pretty nice. That's it for this video review for the wireless keyboard. I'm Brian Meissen. Thanks for watching.